Hey, this is something that anyone can do to make money in real estate investing, and we're going to share step by step how to quickly and easily find a wholesale or creative deal and analyze it, and then how to find a buyer so that you can get paid using Privy for real estate investing. We're also answering some of the top questions that we get from you on this channel all about Privy, so be there live November 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific, and join the founder of Privy, Benson, Juarez, and my partner, Chris closes your deal. It'll be to the point and massively valuable for you. And if you're watching this after November 8th and you didn't cancel all your plans like you should do right now, then you might see the next video I point to at the end of the replay be that actual video. But more importantly, anyone can do this to make money in real estate right now, not later. So that means you. So you can use the link that's in the pinned comment of this video or in the description to register for this live event right now. And I'll also put the link right here on the screen. So be sure to capitalize the word Privy because apparently that matters. But in the meantime, take a listen to what some of you had to say about other trainings and our process that we've shared regarding Privy to get these transactions. Because if you think I was joking about canceling all of your plans, you might want to do just that.
I got Privy like you recommended. It's been awesome for running comps. That's huge.
Privy's just amazing, changing our lives. And man, doing stuff, making deals, it'll change your life, man.
So thank you for doing this. This is really invaluable to me. I don't take that lightly, so thank you.
You gave me out some good nuggets there.
So it's time to unlock the secrets of finding successful real estate wholesale deals and creative deals with Privy. Because we're going to go from start all the way to the finish line on how to find properties, analyze them, secure contracts, and connect with buyers, all using Privy. So we're excited to share what's working in today's competitive real estate market and for us and our clients and those in our mastermind. So whether you're new or experienced, this is the place for you to be on November 8th. Because our team provides data-driven expertise to help you thrive in your real estate investing business and set goals that remove you from it. So put this in ink on your calendar, not pencil, because this is a don't miss opportunity to take action and get deals. So check out that video right here, and we'll see you where you can be sure that we're gonna make it easy.